Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, time for magic. Today I'm going to teach you an old trick with a new twist. It's going to be really cool. I'm going to show you 3 magic tricks. The first one is going to be the basic one. The second one will be more advanced. And the third time will be mind-blowing. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed and check them out. Alright, here's a cool trick you can do with a coin slide. I'm going to start with the basic trick. Trick number 1. Watch. All you do is grab a quarter like so. Okay? And then all you do is place it into the coin drawer box. It's a magic coin box, right? All you do is place it in. You say the word abracadabra. You blow on it and look. It disappears. Completely disappears. Nothing there. Nothing here. And then all you do is place it back in. Blow on it and it comes right back. Amazing, right? And I'll tell you the secret. Don't go nowhere.
Say abracadabra for magic wand on your finger. Tap on it, then it disappears.
Oh, where'd it go? And now for the secret. Alright, here's the secret. The secret is easy because all you do is you grab the quarter, place it inside, slide it back into the box, blow on it, and it disappears. Amazing. The secret is that I actually turn it around. When you grab the coin slide, push it into this drawer box, it goes back out. It disappears when you grab it, turn it around, slide it back in, it disappears. All you do is take it out, turn it around, push it back in, and it disappears. It's a really cool trick, but don't just turn it around. The easiest way to do it is when you take this out, just give it a half turn right in front of them. They don't know you turned it around. They just think you just handed it so they can put the quarter in. So when you slide it in, it disappears, right? Show them that. When you show them that there's nothing here, I just gave it a half turn. They don't know I turned it around. So when I push it back in, it actually comes back. It's a cool trick. Try it. And I'm going to show you 2 more magic tricks. So don't go nowhere. Alright, for trick number 2. It's a really cool trick. All you do is borrow a quarter from somebody. Make sure you borrow it. Place it inside the coin slide. You're going to grab that coin slide and you're going to ask them, what color is it? Is it like silver shiny? They always say it's silver or shiny. So then all you do is just push it in, blow on it, and look, it changes colors. Amazing, right? It's a really cool trick. You tell them that's their quarter, they're going to say it's a penny. No, you tell them, here, this is your quarter. Give them back the penny. And they're going to have a laugh because they thought you ripped them off with 24 cents. Of course, you always borrow back. So you place it back in, and then all you do is slide it back in. Say the magic word, peanut butter and jelly. Blow on it and look, it comes right back to its regular color. Then you give them back their coin. They're going to be happy. It's an easy trick, and I'll tell you the secret right now. And now for the secret. And for this trick, all you need is an extra coin. You're going to need a penny, okay? And then all you do is place the penny into the coin slide. If I push it in, nothing happens, right? But if I take it out, turn it around, push it inside, it disappears. So you're going to start like this, completely empty. So the box is here, you borrow a quarter from somebody. And then all you do is when you open it, you just give it a half turn. All you do is grab the quarter and place it into the coin slide. Now that I turned it around, slide it back in. Ask them what color is it, like silver shiny. And all you do is push it in. You say hocus pocus, peanut butter and jelly, and it disappears. But in its place, a penny changes. So you tell them it changes colors. It's a really cool trick. You give them back their quarter, they're not going to like it because it's a different color. You just say, here, I'll take it back. Place it back in. Of course, you already turned it around. Push it back in. Blow on it and say, look, I told you it was a quarter. You give them back their money. It's a really cool trick. Easy to do. And check out my 3rd trick. All right, here's a cool trick. Trick number 3. Watch. All you do is you borrow a quarter, place it on top into the coin box. Then you grab a dime, place it right on top. If you look at it, you can see there's a dime and a quarter inside. So you ask them to choose one, the quarter or the dime. For example, if they say the quarter, you tell them, okay, the quarter, watch. And the quarter disappears, but the dime is still right there. Show them it's empty, right? You could also bring it back. You tell them, here's the dime. I'll just make that quarter back and turn it into a quarter again. It's a really cool trick, easy to do, and I'll tell you the secret right now. And now for the secret. All right, here's the secret. The secret is really easy, just like all the other ones. All you do is place a quarter into the coin slide, okay? So when you pull this out, you're gonna give it a half turn. Here's the quarter, and then you place a dime right on top. So if you place a dime right on top of the coin, no matter which one they choose, quarter or dime, if you say a dime, okay, we're gonna keep the dime. If they say the quarter, you tell them, we're gonna make the quarter disappear. If they say I choose the dime, I'll say, well, the dime stays, and the quarter vanishes. Amazing. It's a really cool trick. Then you turn it back around as you slide it back in, and you tell them the word hocus pocus, and the quarter comes back, but the dime disappears. It's a really cool trick. Try it. It's fun to do, and hope you enjoy it. All right, here's the bonus trick. It's a really cool trick. It's similar to the last one, but it has a different take. Watch, check it out. All you do is take out the coin slide. You borrow a quarter. You could use your own quarter. Place it into the coin slide. Then all you do is you grab a dime, place it right on top. So you got a dime and a quarter right on top, okay? You slide it back in and you say the word abracadabra. And look, the quarter changes into a penny. But the dime is still right there. So you push it in, nothing happens, right? But of course, there's a dime and a penny in there. You can see it clearly, okay? Then if you push it back in, you say the magic word, peanut butter and jelly. And the quarter comes right back. And so is the dime. It's a really cool trick. Of course, you can show the other one is empty. It's a really cool trick, easy to do, and I'll tell you the secret right now. And now for the secret. All right, here's the secret. The secret is really easy. All you do is you take this out, turn it around, you grab a penny and you slide it into the little coin slide. Push it inside, and of course, you know, it actually disappears. So this is your preparation, okay? So you have it ready. So now that you have it ready with a penny inside, okay? Of course, the penny's inside, but they don't know that, okay? So all you do is take this out, give it a half turn, then you're gonna grab a quarter like so. Place it into the coin slide, and you're also gonna grab a dime, okay? And then all you do is just place it on top of the quarter. So you got a quarter and a dime on top. Push it inside, and you ask them, you see the quarter? We're gonna make that quarter change colors, and it turns into a penny. Of course, the dime is still there. Then when you turn it around, you show them the dime and the penny inside. I already turned it around, push it back in, and the quarter comes back to its regular color. Nothing inside. It's a really cool trick. You can try it, show it to your friends. It looks really cool. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed them and have fun.
Booga, booga, booga. Here we go.